Hi guys, welcome to Just Kids and Dad Customs. Today here we have the George Clooney McFarlane Toys Batman, and today we're going to customize him. I mean, like, he has all the features of the real George Clooney, but I think we can make him look way better than that. So today we'll be repainting him to make him look better with my dad and my sister. Now let's go.
So we've dismantled it, now we're gonna wash it and prime it.
Hey guys, now we've primed it with black and everything. I thought when we use the putty to protect some parts. So now we're gonna do the actual painting to make it look like Clooney. So guys, I've made this mixture.
Experimenting.
It was a mixture of colors. The trick was I didn't use any green. I just used black, blue, purple, and silver, and some metallic. And then it all became this. According to the picture, you can't see, but I'm looking at it right now. The mixture looks, it really looks like him. Okay.
For this wash,
it's black and blue. My dad constructed this one. Let's go see. Let's go mix it in. That's looking nice. Here I have our new brush. Okay, so now.
Yep.
Right there. And then we just like that. Let soak in, and then what I really like about washes is that when you like apply it, it makes all the details pop out.
Really?
Yeah. Anyways, gonna do this part now.
It's more bluish, maybe.
Too much paint.
Here.
In my bed.
You rubbed it.
I made a big error connection.
Nice. You'll wipe and I'll brush.
Brush, okay.
We take off that crusty layer. Injustice for I'd say I was really happy with this project. Now, we're gonna put him on the shelf. Look at that.
Hey friends, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss any of our exciting videos. Bye bye. See you next time. Yeah.